Hi friends, what's up? This is RK from 360 Data. It's time to learn how to use bubble and screen effects in Apple Messages app on iPhone and iPad. iMessage is feature packed with a ton of super cool features. The one iMessage feature that has never failed to charm me is the ability to use the eye-catching bubble and screen effects. Times when you might want to bring a ton of fun to your conversations, these effects will have a role to play. That said, let's get started. First and foremost, open the Apple Messages app on your iPhone or iPad. After that, head over to a conversation where you would like to use the bubble or screen effects. Next up, you have to keep in mind that the screen and bubble effects work only in the iMessage, so ensure that the recipients use iPhone or iPad. Then type a message as usual. After that, you have to touch and hold the arrow icon. Next up, if you want to send the message with bubble effects, make sure that the bubble tab is selected. Then select the desired bubble effect and then send the message. It is worth pointing out that you have different bubble effects to choose from, such as slam, loud, gentle, and invisible link. If you want to send your iMessage with a bit privacy, then choose invisible link option. As the name itself suggests, it will hide your message with invisible link. To view the message, your friend will need to swipe left on the message. And if you want to use the screen effects, ensure that the screen tab is selected at the top. Then after, you can swipe left or right on the screen to switch between different screen effects such as echo, spotlight, balloons, confetti, love, lasers, fireworks, shooting star, and celebration. And once you have selected the preferred effect, make sure to tap on the arrow button to send the message, and that's pretty much it. So that's how you can use screen and bubble effects in the Apple Messages app on iPhone and iPad. Now that you know how this cool feature works, make the most of it to spice up your iMessaging on iPhone and iPad. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a good time. Bye bye.